How to calculate the equilibrium output in case of monopoly? The question was, suppose the demand function of the monopolist is P is equal to A minus BQ. P is the price, Q denotes the output, and marginal cost function was given as marginal cost is equal to C plus KQ. We have to find out the equilibrium level of output. So given this inverse demand function P is equal to A minus BQ, we know that for equilibrium in case of monopoly, we equate the marginal revenue of the monopolist with the marginal cost. Marginal cost is being given, but we need to find out the marginal revenue. To find out the marginal revenue, first we need to find out the total revenue. Total revenue is simply price into output. Okay, P is this A minus BQ. So in place of P, I write A minus BQ. To this we multiply by output, which is Q. So total revenue is equal to AQ minus BQ square. Now what is marginal revenue? That is the change in the total revenue due to 1 unit change in the output. That is the derivative of the total revenue function with respect to Q. So derivative of Q in the first term is 1, so we are left with A, and derivative of Q square is 2Q. So this becomes twice Q, and we have this B here by power function rule. Okay. Now for equilibrium, marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. So marginal revenue is this very function, marginal cost is this very function. We equate these two functions. So we transpose this twice BQ to the RHS and this C to the LHS. So it becomes A minus C is equal to KQ plus twice BQ. Okay. On the on the right hand side, we factor out Q here. So A minus C is equal to Q times K plus 2B. Okay, dividing both sides by K plus 2B, we get Q is equal to A minus C upon K plus 2B. Okay, but here you can see this is our average revenue function, that is P is equal to A minus BQ. Okay, the intercept of the average revenue function is half the slope of the average revenue function is half the slope of the marginal revenue function. Here you can see this is our average revenue function A minus BQ, and marginal revenue function is A minus twice BQ. So the slope of marginal revenue function is twice the slope of the average revenue function. So marginal cost here, the intercept is here C. Let us assume this is a positive number here. So C, and here the slope is upward. We have upward sloping marginal cost function because the coefficient of Q is K here. So if we draw this very line here, equilibrium requires that marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. So they intersect at this point, and here we can also find out the equilibrium price. Simply plug. So then equilibrium price will be equal to P is equal to A minus B times this equilibrium level of, that is A minus C divided by K plus twice B. Okay, this will denote our equilibrium price if I plug the equilibrium quantity here. So this point denotes this. Okay, I hope I make myself clear. Thank you.